So, Remy thinks this car is done and I'm gonna surprise him.
The surprise?
I think it's still missing something. These headlights. So my plan is to make my own black housing headlights.
With a 4-box spray can. Instead of paying $160 for aftermarket ones.
If it fails, we might need to buy new headlights. So let's hope for the best. I'm gonna take you along on this journey and show you step by step how it's been done. Let's start by removing the headlights.
Not so fast. The front bumper has to come off first. And the blinkers.
It's quite hard to get these headlights off without removing the bumper. No. Meh. Who designed this? Ah, yeah. Yes. Unplug the cables. And they're out. Bam. Let's try to take them apart. See, there's some clips here. So let's remove the clips first. The next step is to remove the glass, and there's some kind of sealant in between the glass and the casing. So I think we need to heat it up, and by heating it up the material will soften and hopefully the lens will come out.
So Ka's going to try it with the heat gun. Is this the way? Or will it melt or break?
Just carefully peel it open. Whoa. And it's open. So I think this part needs to stay silver and these parts can be black. So instead of using the heat gun, you can also use the oven. Just put your headlight in. Something like this. 160 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Now we wait.
Did it melt?
Ah, hot.
And
It's not hot enough. Let's go. Yes. Step 2. Clean the headlights from the inside. I'm just gonna use some glass cleaner and a paper towel and just wipe them clean. Step 4. Masking. So we're gonna mask off all the parts which we don't want to paint. The next step is we're gonna roughen the surface up with some Scotch-Brite.
That's rough.
Now we're gonna use some degreaser to clean everything up. And the next step is paint. Shake it up. Ready to paint. We're just gonna use some thin layers. Dry. Second coat. So we still have these. We're gonna do something nice with it. It's time to mix up the paint.
So Ka is trying to create an orange by mixing yellow with, well,
oh my god. Nice.
One eternity later.
I think this is the right tint. Or should it be more red? Alright, this is how they look. Let's do some unmasking. It's not bad. Some paint bleeded through. We can just use some thinner and clean that up. We need to heat up the adhesive first. So the headlights are dry, the corners are dry. Let's mount them back on the car. And they're in. They look much better on the car. I think now the car is really finished. It's gonna come to the garage tomorrow and I'm gonna surprise him. Another small surprise for him. I think this is nice touch.
So Ka told me there's a surprise. He hasn't told me what it is, and I'm really curious to see what he has done. So, what have you done?
Multiple things, 2 surprises.
Okay, let's see.
Guess.
It's here?
It's behind the door.
Should I open it then?
Has something to do with the Civic.
Yeah, okay.
I'm curious what you think.
I'm curious what you have done.
2 surprises. Ready? 2, 1.
Wow.
And? What do
I
you
see
think?
it like the headlights. You did the headlights.
Yes. What do you think?
Nice.
And?
I like it. I like the black housing a lot. Looks better.
Makes it
More aggressive.
It's more
like
aggressive.
this.
It's
Yeah.
more modern also.
Before it looked like dated.
And it's also slightly different from the store-bought black housing because I've painted the glass. So there's a small,
like
looks
here.
like
Oh yeah.
headlights with makeup now.
What's the second surprise?
Second surprise. Look at the back window.
At the back window.
Hey.
Oh my.
Nice, right?
Yes. So now people can follow us finally.
Yes, finally. Follow, like and subscribe. Project Kaizen. So if you like this upgrade, like our video and subscribe. See you next time.